The modern data stack is chaos. You code, run checks, document, test, create PRs, you slack. You code in one place, your code runs in a pipeline somewhere else. By the time you finish writing the docs, the models have changed. The lineage is broken between data sources and consumers. Suddenly, dashboards start to break at the end of the quarter. The senior execs are going nuts. The finance team is screaming. The product and sales teams don't trust you anymore. It's a mad scramble. You cannot seem to catch a break. You spend time bouncing off tools, vendors, dashboards, and setting up other people's laptops when all you could be doing is getting shit done and creating cool insights for the business. Wish you could get everything done in one place? Paradime is the ultimate workspace for all your analytics, so you are a lot less stressed and way more productive. Paradime, the operating system for analytics.